Are you tired of the same mundane coffee experience, yearning for a touch of sophistication and luxury in your daily cup? This Maestri house milk frother is not just an appliance, it's a gateway to a world where coffee becomes an art. Let's explore the unique features, unparalleled design, and the promise of an exceptional coffee journey that Maestri House brings to your kitchen. Here's why you need it. Upgrade your coffee ritual with Maestri House Milk Frother, the epitome of sophistication and flavor control. Elevate your coffee experience, unlock temperature and froth mastery, and enjoy barista-quality froth at the touch of a button. With Maestri House, it's not just coffee, it's a lifestyle, a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Unlock the art of temperature and froth control. In the realm of milk frothers, Maestri House stands as a pioneer, introducing the world's first frother with variable temperature settings and froth thickness options. With 4 temperature settings ranging from ordinary to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and 3 froth thickness choices, low, medium, and high, this frother places the reins of control firmly in your hands. Craft your coffee just the way you like it, tailored to perfection. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and invite Maestri House into your kitchen. Generous capacity for frothy delights. Imagine hosting a coffee gathering and effortlessly preparing multiple frothy drinks at once. Maestri House understands the need for capacity. With a generous 14.1 ounces jug, this frother goes beyond the ordinary, allowing you to froth up to 7 ounces and heat or make hot chocolate with 14.1 ounces. Serve indulgence in every cup, creating moments that linger. Intuitive touch control panel for barista-quality froth. Ease of use meets sophistication with the touch control panel of Maestri House. Illuminate your coffee making journey with 6 settings: cold froth, cold airy froth, hot airy froth, hot milk, or hot chocolate. Become your barista with a touch, and watch as your coffee transforms into a creamy, velvety masterpiece. Sleek design for coffee aficionados, Maestri House doesn't just deliver functionality, it presents a piece of art for your countertop. The stainless steel exterior, designed with elegance in mind, seamlessly integrates into your kitchen. The frother isn't just an appliance, it's a statement, a testament to your commitment to a superior coffee experience. Maestri House customer service, your satisfaction, our priority. Your journey with Maestri House doesn't end with the purchase, it's a commitment to exceptional service. As a leader in premium household coffee appliances, Maestri House takes pride in not only delivering great coffee, but also excellent customer service. Encounter a problem? Reach out, and Maestri House promises a resolution within 24 hours. Because enjoying coffee is not just about the drink, it's about savoring life. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and invite Maestri House into your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.